That's good enough. All right, so what I normally do now is I go ahead, I don't do foundation, but I will conceal like some of these dark spots, like right there. Got a little blemish here, and then I get under my eye. I'm gonna take my Black Opal concealer, little stick concealer. I think this is in bronze. Yeah, beautiful bronze or something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead. How did that happen? This is cracked. Anyway, and I'm just going to those spots that I can see the blemishes. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Protect your skin. I'm only putting a little bit because I'm not putting makeup all over my face. Just a little bit to protect in the areas that I know I'm gonna be applying some concealer. Okay. And I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can see. Okay, and I'm gonna take my little concealer in the little places that need concealing. I'm gonna conceal. And then my little glasses marks. Conceal that. Gonna conceal that, even though my glasses is gonna put this mark back. Okay, and then up under my eye. And then on top of my eye. To make it look a little bit, make my eyes look a little brighter. Alright. And that's how we looking. I know I'm looking crazy, but I'm finna blend. I am finna blend. As soon as I find my cap. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna take a look and make sure, yeah, that's about what I like. I don't know if you can really see what I did, but it's looking more cohesive. It looks better off camera, but you know, we're gonna roll with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some setting spray, but I think it's just water in here, but it was setting spray. It was e.l.f. setting spray in here. It's still a little in there. Okay, and then I'm just gonna wet my brush. I'm gonna take my glasses off so I can get into the cracks and crevices, and then I'm gonna blend this in my skin. Like so. Just blending it, blending it, blending it. Okay. I'm putting my glasses on so I can check my work. Yes. Yes. Where we concealed those little boo-boos, but I still look natural. Okay, it probably ain't really resonating on camera, but it's there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is, I am going to do it. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, but I'm going to just take like a darker shade and kind of work out my cheekbones, like a slight contour, not like a real contour, like you can, like contour, no, nothing like that. Because I don't want like a contour. I'm going to take a couple of different things. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in Mocha. And I'm going to take, I don't know if you can see. Hold on, let me see. My first time, y'all, bear with me. I'm going to take this shade right here. And yeah, just apply it. Don't need a whole lot because I'm not doing a contour and I'm going around my forehead a little bit. I'm not doing a contour, just the, what is that? Okay, just a little something to bring a little color to my face.